Hey everyone, Technomensch here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone mic not working. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do if you're having this issue is to first make sure that your mic are not dirty or blocked up. In order to check that, the mic on your iPhone are going to be these three, as you can see, holes right here. And over time, you can build up a lot of dust, debris, lint. In order to clean that, take something that's pointy, preferably non-metal, something like plastic. You're going to try to basically use a tool to pry out any of the dust or lint that you see until you can see it clear. Also take a microfiber cloth, just wipe it down. And if you have a case that you're putting on or cover that can also sometimes block the mic like this, and you'll no longer hear the mic, so make sure it's not blocked if you have a new case. Now, after you have done that, the next thing to do is go ahead and force restart your iPhone. In order to do that, you're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button just like that. Again, this is known as a force restart. We simply quickly press and release the volume up, followed by quickly pressing and releasing the volume down before holding on to the side button. You're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear, and then you let go of that side button. And if this doesn't work for you the very first time, maybe Siri activates, try it again. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up, and then press and release the volume down one after another before holding on to the side button. And this is just going to simply shut down the phone software and then reload the code. Don't worry, this method is safe. It will not lose any of your personal data. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to check out is your Bluetooth connection. So in your settings, you're going to go ahead into Bluetooth, turn off any Bluetooth settings. What happens is if you have something connected, sometimes it might be looking for that device to be used as a mic, which then this mic on your iPhone won't work. And if that's the case, you need to find that, either simply disconnect from it or unpair it by clicking on forget device, which you can see when you tap on the eye icon, or completely turn off Bluetooth, and that will help as well. Now, another thing you want to do, and this is if it's a mic that's not working for the app, maybe an app you downloaded, the mic doesn't work, you need to make sure you give access to that app. In order to check which apps have access to your iPhone mic, you can go into your settings, and then go to privacy and security, and then there's a microphone setting. Currently, as you can see here, 2 apps have access to my mic. And if, for example, if some one of these apps were turned off, I need to go ahead and turn it on to give them access. So if you see an app that's turned off, make sure you allow the access. Now, if you don't see an app here that you're having issues with, I recommend is deleting and reinstalling that app. In order to delete any app, you're going to press and hold, click on remove, right? And then click on delete app. And then you're going to go to the App Store, right? And then search it up to reinstall it. Remember, when you reinstall app by deleting it and installing it again, right, it will not delete your account on the app. It's just deleting the app and then reinstalling, and you can sign back in. And once you sign back in, the very first notification you'll come is allow mic access, and you're going to say yes, so you can give mic access. Now, another thing you want to do is test out your microphone by using the voice memo app. So voice built-in app on your iPhone that allows you to record anything. So if I record something like this, as you can see, this is a test recording. I can see that it's picking up something, and I can, as you can see, this is play it back to make sure the mic is working on my phone now. And if it's still not working, the next thing you want to do is go into your setting on your iPhone. From the main settings here, you're going to go to General, Software Update, and go ahead and update your phone. If there's an update, it's going to show up. Just go ahead and update it. The reason why you want to consider updating your iPhone is because a previous update might have caused where the issue where the mic is no longer working. Update will go ahead and fix it. Finally, if none of these are working, the last thing to do is in the settings, go to General, go all the way down here. It says Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, the first option. You're going to reset all settings. Now, when you reset all settings, it resets settings like network-related settings. So any connected Wi-Fi will have to get reconnected. Any Bluetooth-connected devices will have to get reconnected. Any custom keyboard, dictionary, custom layout on the home screen, and any location privacy setting. These are only the settings that will get reset to default, but none of your personal data like photos, videos, apps will get deleted or erased. So you can do that. as a final step if your microphone still is not working. And if you follow all these steps and the mic still is not working, most likely it's defective or it needs to get replaced. In that case, you need to take it to the Apple store or authorized retailer where they can take a look at it and fix it for you if it's a hardware related issue. And that's it for troubleshooting your mic. And I hope your mic is now working. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.